So yeah, the cluster lashes I've added to my site. I had to because cluster lashes haven't really been a thing. Oh great, gotta add another service. Cluster lashes, this is literally going viral right now. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Girl bosses, what is up? Welcome to day 1 of Vlogmas. Young rich, I feel like I got something to... I'm doing Vlogmas this year. I love this time of the year because it really pushes me to just get videos out every day. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I have faith in myself. I'm gonna try my best to push out the content. I'm amped up, I'm motivated right now at least. But I'm about to head up to the lash suite because I have a client coming at 1 p.m. So that's where we about to go right now. After my client, I got a little break between her and my next client, so I'm gonna get me a car wash and then we gotta hit up some stores. I need a few outfits to get this Vlogmas running. Let's go, let's start our day. Got my pineapples. You already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Girl Boss Tribe because we're a total vibe over here. And turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat. You have very clear skin.
Thank you. I just came from a facial.
Oh, you did? Who do you go to? I need a facial, girl.
Indiana.
Is it NWI, Northwest Indiana? Solar Salon. Oh, those are popular.
Yeah, she's great. Everybody gotta go to
Woke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on nuts. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top.
All right, so I just finished my client. Let me turn off my music. I be having spa music playing. She's gonna be doing my hair tomorrow too. You know, we gotta get together, get it good for Vlogmas. So if I'm gonna be coming on the camera every day, my hair needs to be done. I've been rocking this ponytail for the past like 2 weeks. I had a silk press and it's time to put the bundles in. The bundles are coming back. Oh, you all. The client I just had, I actually did her some cluster lashes. Yes, cluster lashes from VI Lash, of course, always. I just added that service to my website, I want to say about 3 weeks ago, and I've had 2 clients book it so far. She's my second that booked it. I really like this service. It's like, it's just different from doing the normal mink eyelashes, like the individual extensions, and they don't take as long. What I will say though is that on those 2 clients, this is how many I have left. So if you're going to be adding cluster lashes to your service list, you want to make sure that you have enough trays to last. Oh, I also did it on me too. On me, I don't think I ever actually told y'all how I felt about those cluster lashes. Dang, that's because I never got that vlog up yet. So yeah, the cluster lashes I've added to my site. I had to because cluster lashes haven't really been a thing. So I'm like, okay, if cluster lashes is gonna be this much of a thing, I need to add it to my service list so the girls can come get their cluster lashes over here. And we got cluster lashes on the site. It's been a lot that I've been adding to my service list. So I also now do lash lifts and brow laminations, which I've done a few of those as well. Go check out my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, of course you won't know all this, but I've been announcing all this on my Instagram and my TikTok, Lash Boulevard. If you've been living under a rock as far as what's been going on, that's your fault. Anyway, my next client comes at 5 p.m. I'm so happy I secured my hair appointment for tomorrow. I'm gonna get me a wash, blow dry, and braid down. So I'm gonna take y'all with me tomorrow to go get my hair done. As far as today on the agenda, It's a slow day today. Only had 2 clients, one that I just had, and then my next one doesn't come until 5. I'm gonna go to the gym. No, we're not gonna go to the gym today. I've been going hard in the gym. Give it a rest today. We're gonna go to the store. I need me some sweatpants and sweatshirts. If you know me, you know I love my sweatshirts and I love my sweatpants in the wintertime. I like cozy drip. I'm definitely like the matching sweatpants sweatshirt girl. That's what we about to go get a few more of today, but from Walmart. I always stayed with a matching sweatsuit from Walmart back when I was in college. And you probably gonna try to come for me, but don't try to come for me, because low-key back in those days when I used to wear those was when Sorella Boutique, her cropped sweatshirt with the matching bottom were in. Everybody and their mama was wearing them. But low-key, all you had to do was go to Walmart, cut your sweatshirt in half to make it crop, get you a label printer, put whatever you wanted to put on the sweatpants, the sweatshirt, and boom, there you go. But yeah, I'm about to take it back old school and go get me a couple of those. Probably gonna grab us a meal replacement smoothie too. If y'all don't know, I'm on more of a healthier eating, active vitamins kick right now. When it comes to like the things that I'm doing in my spare time, probably hear a lot of gym talk, smoothie, vitamin talk, all that or whatever. Heads up, I did not get an Instagram video of her with her cluster lashes. I'm hurt because I'm really trying to push that right now. Janae, you messing up.
It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me, I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside.
Do y'all be wiping down everything y'all use after y'all clients? Be honest. Be honest. Because I feel like some of y'all don't. Just kidding.
I can't see, I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, she could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much, I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the toe.
Back to what I was saying. Lash techs out there, how do y'all feel about the cluster lash trend that's going on? Like, has that affected your business at all? Has it done anything? Do you offer the service now? Talk to me. I'll tell y'all how I feel. Immediately when the cluster lash became a thing on TikTok, I'm like, oh great, gotta add another service. Cluster lashes, this is literally going viral right now. And instead of, like, that was my sentiments. I'm like, okay, I gotta add cluster lash service to my site, because although a lot of people are doing DIY lashes at home, there's still going to be a lot of people that would like to try cluster lashes but just don't want to be the ones to do them on themselves. There's still going to be a lot of people that are going to stick beside extensions, so I added the service to my service list, like I said. So yeah, and I can honestly say that I enjoy doing cluster lashes. I do love doing individuals still, but with cluster lashes, it's just something different. I don't have to spend an extended amount of time on a client. I can get them in and out. I can use different styles because there's not just one style. The glue and the sealant is actually pretty good quality. It's a very tacky glue and it lasts. So them cluster lashes are actually very good quality to me, or depending on what brand you get. So yeah, whenever things like that happen and you're in a field, you just always have to stay up with the times. So yes, those are my sentiments on it. I just finished filming a sit down video for my channel. It was a really good video too. I hope y'all like it. I realized sit down videos do really good on my channel. Videos where I'm like just dropping gems and talking about a specific topic. So I'm going to be creating more types of those videos for my channel. I have a list of them already on here. Anyway, I need to have my thumbnail. Okay, so I'm gonna get my consent form ready for my next client that's about to come up here, because I'm actually about to leave my suite. How is my battery blinking and I literally charged it all morning? Are you serious? Wow. Consent forms are on my website, link in the description box. Let's go probably get me a smoothie. Be right back. So I'm vlogging off my phone with it. My camera just died, so we about to go into Walmart and I'm about to show y'all these sweatsuits to put y'all on. if y'all don't know already, about the sweatsuits in Walmart. Especially if you a lash tech and you like to be cozy, you can low-key make these sweatsuits into a cute fit with some Uggs, a bucket hat, like a fur bucket hat or whatever. I'm gonna just show y'all. I ain't vlogged off my phone in a minute. This clear. Look at my bag. This big bag. Why I choose to wear this big bag today? Got it from Target. If y'all really been down and y'all know me, y'all know I low-key hate Walmart. Hate Walmart. I just really have to realize where I'm at right now. I don't like Walmart. The customer service is trash. Last time I was at a Walmart, I saw a Hennessy bottle in a dang on parking lot. I don't know. And they'll be wrapped around the corner. Come on. Hold on, let me get my keys. It looks like they changed the quality of their sweatsuits and sweatshirts. Hold on. They definitely, I think they changed the quality of their stuff. Like this. And then they definitely changed the quality. This is how I used to look. They got pink. What? They got pink. They didn't have pink back then. They only had navy blue, gray, and black. They don't have the size I want. Kind of don't have the color I want either. So it's these gym shoes that's been going viral on TikTok. I think it's these, the Avia gym shoes. They said that these gym shoes are supposed to be like the Balenciagas. Should I get them? They're only $20 too. What? I think I want to try them on real quick. No, it ate too big for me. Ate way too big.
Thank you.
You're welcome. They don't have my size. Back on the camera. I'm so hungry. I was not able to get anything to eat in between because I left from Walmart, went to go get a car wash, was gonna go home, but I'm like, I literally only have 45 minutes to prep the meal I'm gonna make until I have to leave and come back here. Ended up getting stopped by a train, missed some time from the train, so I just turned back around, came back here. Now I am waiting for my last client. Yeah, I'm very hungry. And see, I've been able to think too much. Now I'm like, oh, I could really go for some Wingstop. And then that had me thinking about this place called Epic Wings. And Epic Wings is fire. Well, it's not fire, but it's really good. What they do is they have a bed of fries. Then they got this Chipotle aioli sauce, Chipotle ranch sauce. And then they add the cheese. And then they put the breaded chicken bites on top of it. So it's like buffalo ranch Chipotle chicken bites on top of fries with cheese. Oh my gosh, it's good. But I don't need that today. I got food at home. I'm supposed to be making roasted potatoes, baked chicken, and asparagus. Do I really want that after thinking about Epic Wings? No.
I
trust in you. What will you do? Do you just step
So I
back?
am finished up at the Lash Suite. It is 6:38 p.m. I got everything wiped down and fresh to start my day tomorrow. Anyway, yes girl bosses, I had a lot of fun with you all today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, tell me what you liked about this vlog. Let's just chat it up. I don't care. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss any uploads from me at all this vlogmas. I will see you in my next video. Mwah!